What is up everyone, and welcome back to another video. Today we're back talking about Bitcoin and why it's pumping and whether it will be pumping over the weekend and over the course of next week. So let's jump straight in. Now obviously in the previous video we talked about Bitcoin seeing a slight dip below these lows. We talked about it around Tuesday and obviously we got that dip. It dipped below and now we've seen a climb back up and a little pump today even of around 2.7%. Now if we go onto the heat maps right here, first the lower time frame heat map of 24 hours, we can see just how many liquidations are actually building up on BTC. So if you take a look here, we can see there's a lot above 60k. We had a few, on these highs and we just absolutely obliterated them. We cleared them and we've had a lot of liquidations building up right around here just below 58,000. Now personally what I think will happen is we're going to clear these liquidations first just because of the upward trajectory that we already have. Bitcoin is looking quite strong going into the weekend, but again, once we clear these liquidations, there won't be much of an incentive for us to keep going up, and most likely case is that we're going to head down to clear these liquidations right here just below 58,000. Now if we go onto the slightly higher time frame heat map of 3 days, again I'm only really showing the heat maps that have the most info on it. The much higher time frame heat maps of the 1 week, the 2 week, the 1 month aren't really showing much info. There's not many liquidations to spot out there, but yeah, on the 3 day we can see there's some liquidations here just above 60k, which resonates with these liquidations here, and also some below 58k, around 57k, which again resonates with this area here. So the higher time frame heat map also shows Confluence that we should look to head up, clear these highs, get this liquidation level out, and then head a bit lower. If we take a look at just the chart in general, we're still in a downtrend on BTC. It's cleared these highs, but no major swing highs have been cleared yet. Again, it's still a downtrend. Until we clear this high right here and we're able to break out of this downtrend, then there won't be much bullish incentive for us to really look for these major longs. We are in this consolidation area right here in the red. Again, this is just where some accumulation occurs, and it was where we had the previous all-time highs. And yeah, that's practically it. Also, another key thing is the S&P. We talked about the S&P in the previous Bitcoin videos as well, and we mentioned that if it breaks this low, it has to fill these fair value gaps. Now it filled this fair value gap, it did not fill this fair value gap, however it has since retracted and it's actually now heading towards new all-time highs, which is absolutely phenomenal. I think the main reason for this is of course Trump now reclaiming the lead in the election against Kamala Harris and in the debate and so on and so on. I think that is a major contributor, for this week and for us being quite bullish this week. You can see since he reclaimed the lead, we've seen a good pump up. Again, that's just because when Trump was president previously, the stock market performed really, really well, and he's very pro crypto as well. So that will be another incentive for us to go bullish if he is elected in November. Now, if we are able to clear these highs and move into an all-time high on SPX, I think that will be good for Bitcoin. I don't see any sort of drawdown or downside to S&P, going to an all-time high. It should only provide positives for BTC. It'll show people that investments are strong, that they should be investing. They'll be looking for different investment opportunities. They'll see Bitcoin is not yet an all-time high and they'll probably be investing money there. But if you do want to invest your money somewhere, then check out the Discord down below, because we're sending out trades every single day and they're crushing the market, so make sure to check that out as well. But yeah, on a slightly lower time frame on BTC, it's just performing this sort of V shape. We had the crash, it did it previously here as well. We had a crash, we had a pump, and now again we had a crash and we're having a pump. So once we clear those liquidation levels just above 60k, I think we'll see another slight dump. And then next week I'll make another video, probably Monday or Sunday if we get a lot of information on Sunday, just telling you where I think it will be going over the next course of a few days to the week. Now if you did enjoy and it did help you out, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. Also check out all the exchanges down below in case you need a place to trade. Thank you all for watching and I'll see you all tomorrow. Goodbye guys.